Do you want to play 4 famous songs on piano? Well, let's work them out with easy arpeggios and see if you recognize them as we go. Hi there, I'm Kylie. I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content, as this will really help me out. Today, let's jump into an easy piano tutorial looking at 4 famous songs. Let me know in the comments if you recognize them from the progressions, and I think that number 4 is probably the most famous, so let me know if you know it. So let's start with our chord 1 onto our C. Let's play fifths in the left hand here. So we'll begin on C and then go up to D, then down to G, and then return to C. We'll talk about the chord numbers today as we go. You may not be familiar with these, but we'll keep it all in an easy C so that you can follow along and see some really common chord patterns that we see in so much music. In the right hand, let's put sixth over the top there. So our first sixth of G and E will match our C pattern. Then we're going to step up 1 to match our D pattern, and then up 1 more to match the G, and then back to the start again. Let's play that. Now to extend that left hand, let's spread it over the octave and play notes C, G to C, or 1, 5, 1. So let's try that, and let's think of the left hand in counts of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's add the same sixth now with the right hand, joining over our 8 counts. We're going to play our right hand on number 1, number 3, and number 7 before we move. Here we go. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can keep playing the fifths that we began with in the first song all the way through these progressions if that's easier for you. Then when you feel ready to be a bit braver, then step your hand out to the octave and give that a go as well. This next song, let's change our right hand to play third. So we're going to play our chord 1, our chord 2, our chord 6, and then down to 4. So the right hand's going to play those notes on the same little counts again of 1, 3, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the bottom note around our new progression. Here we go. Here we go. Our next progression is 1, 5, 6, and 4, which is such a popular progression to have. Hundreds of songs that use this order. So this song is probably the newest of all of them today, so write that down if you know it as well. Let's just hold the thirds this time in the right hand. Here we go. And then from the chord 6, let's step the thirds down to match. One, two, here we go. For our final piece, let's extend it into an 8 chord pattern. Once again, we're going to have our thirds stepping all the way down. Then we'll add those over the top of our left hand, following a C chord, chord 1, chord 5, chord 6, chord 3, which is a bit strange, but then chord 4 to 1 to chord 4 and 5 to finish. So this is the most famous of our 4 pieces today and probably the oldest. Let's play it through. 1, 2, here we go. Well, jot down in the comments any of the song titles that you know, and let's have a full run now to play through all of the progressions that we've made today. Then you might like to have a go at mixing them around and to make up your own as well. Well, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next week. Ta-da! 1, 2, here we go.